Reactivity towards halogens. Alkali metals react with halogens to form ionic halides. For example, sodium reacts with chlorine to give sodium chloride. We know that sodium chloride is an ionic compound. Other examples are potassium bromide, sodium bromide, etc. Lithium halides are covalent in nature. It is due to the high polarizing capability of small lithium ion. Now consider various lithium halides, that is lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide. Among these lithium halides, lithium iodide is most covalent. It is due to the large size of iodide ion. Next we shall discuss about reducing nature. Alkali metals act as strong reducing agents. Among the alkali metals, lithium is the most powerful reducing agent and sodium is the least powerful reducing agent. It is the E naught value, that is standard reduction potential, which measures the reducing power. Lithium ion, we know that it is the smallest ion, so lithium ion has smallest size. Since it is the smallest ion, it will be having the highest hydration enthalpy. Since lithium ion is smallest and since it has highest hydration enthalpy, it will have high negative standard reduction potential. That is, it will have high negative E naught value. So this is the reason why lithium is the most powerful reducing agent. The standard reduction potential, which gives a measure of the reducing power, represent the following changes. The metal in the solid state gets converted into metal in the gaseous state. Here, the metal gets converted from the solid state directly to the gaseous state. Hence, the enthalpy change involved in this process can be called as sublimation enthalpy. M gas then gives M plus gas. Here, the enthalpy change involved can be called as ionization enthalpy. We know that it is the energy required to remove an electron from the neutral gaseous atom. M plus gas plus water then gives M plus aqueous. The metal ion thus formed will get hydrated and the energy released during this process is known as hydration enthalpy. So the standard reduction potential, which measures the reducing power, represents these changes. Let us now discuss about the solutions of alkali metals formed in liquid ammonia. Alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia to form deep blue solutions. It is found that the solution is conducting in nature. Now, what is the blue color of the solution due to? The blue color of the solution is due to ammoniated electron. The ammoniated electron will absorb energy in the visible region and thus it imparts blue color to the solution. It is found that the solution is paramagnetic in nature. On standing, it liberates hydrogen and forms amide. In concentrated solution, it is found to exhibit bronze color and the solution is diamagnetic in nature. Now, when alkali metal dissolve in liquid ammonia, we can write the equation as M plus X plus Y ammonia gives MnH3X times plus EnH3Y times minus. What are the uses of alkali metals? Lithium is used to make alloys and it is also used in electrochemical cells. Now, what is the use of sodium? Sodium is used as an alloy, sodium-lead alloy. Liquid sodium is used as coolant in nuclear reactors. Potassium chloride is used as a fertilizer, whereas potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soft soap. It is also used to absorb carbon dioxide. Cesium is used in making photoelectric cells. So these are the various uses of alkali metals. Let us now discuss the general characteristics of oxides and hydroxides of alkali metals. Lithium forms lithium monoxide Li2O, whereas sodium forms sodium peroxide Na2O2, whereas potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxides KO2, RbO2 and CsO2. As the size of the metal ion increases, stability of the peroxide increases. Now what is it due to? It is due to the stabilization by larger cations by lattice enthalpy effects. So as the size of the metal ion increases, the stability of the peroxide will increase. It is due to the stabilization by larger cations. Now consider the hydrolysis of monoxide, peroxide and superoxide of alkali metals. Lithium monoxide Li2O reacts with water to give lithium hydroxide. Sodium peroxide Na2O2 reacts with water to give sodium hydroxide NaOH and hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Potassium superoxide KO2 reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide KOH, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 and oxygen. The superoxides are found to be paramagnetic in nature. It is due to the presence of unpaired electrons. Sodium peroxide is widely used as an oxidizing agent. Alkali metal hydroxides are the strongest bases. We know that sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Potassium hydroxide is also a strong base. So alkali metal hydroxides are the strongest bases. Sodium monoxide Na2O reacts with water to give sodium hydroxide.